for September the 15th, 2014. Signs of the end time, signs of Bible prophecy coming to pass with the waves and the sea roaring. Here's a headline: Hurricane Odile update. Storm makes landfall in Cabo, San Lucas as the strongest cyclone on record for Baja California, with the borders wide open. Is Father God, Yahweh, sending a strong message, possibly to Barack Obama? Let me play this video for you.
Hurricane Odile made landfall in Cabo San Lucas, Mexico late Sunday night as a powerful Category 3 storm, packing wind up to 125 miles an hour and dumping more than half a foot of rain in the first hour. Storm chaser Josh Morgerman described the scene at his hotel as Odile closed in.
Big glass doors are sort of rattling and bobbing. The hotel staff have pushed sofas in front of the doors to keep them from blowing into the lobby.
And here's video of his hotel lobby's doors blowing open. And this was the most powerful storm to ever, at least in recorded history, make landfall on the Baja California Peninsula. And initially it looked like it was maybe going to stay just off the west coast, but it took a little bit of a jog toward the east at the last minute, and this thing was a direct hit for Cabo San Lucas. La Paz, about a 200,000 population there. And the good thing about this hitting land is that it's going to weaken very quickly, but if you live in the desert southwest in the United States, we're talking about still some pretty serious stuff here over the next couple of days, because there's going to be a lot of moisture coming in, and that is going to definitely up the flood threat quite a bit. It'll be very similar to what we saw last week in places like Phoenix.
Good morning, Al and Stephanie. Yeah, no surprise there. I flew out of Atlanta late yesterday afternoon and got in here last night a little after 8:15 Eastern, and the flight was canceled before I actually had left Atlanta. I wasn't, there was a concern if it hadn't been canceled whether I'd even want to get on the flight, because flying into a major hurricane seems kind of foolish. So I'm here in Mexico City with the other 24 million inhabitants this morning, and don't know exactly when I will get into Cabo, whether it will be tomorrow or maybe Wednesday. We're just waiting to see, like you are, what the situation is at the airport with power and what kind of damage they've had.
Leave me comments, everyone, and God bless.